Your dull, rusted-out chainsaw is ready for the trash pile? Stop right there because you are about to make a massive mistake. Most people believe that once a blade gets coated in deep rust and completely loses its edge, it is pretty much dead. They think you have to go out and spend $60, $80, or even $100 on a brand new chain or pay some shop to do it for you. But what if I told you that you can actually bring that exact same useless blade back to absolute razor-sharp perfection in just about 2 minutes? And you probably already have everything you need lying around your garage right now. Today, we are diving deep into a simple, incredibly fast method to completely restore your chainsaw, strip away every single speck of rust, and get it cutting through thick hardwood like a hot knife through butter. Let's be honest for a second. We've all been there. You pull your chainsaw out of the shed after months of sitting in the damp air, and it looks absolutely terrible. The chain is orange with rust, it's stiff, and when you try to cut a simple log, it just smokes and leaves a pile of fine, useless dust instead of actual wood chips. It's frustrating, exhausting, and honestly pretty dangerous. A dull chainsaw is actually way more dangerous than a sharp one because you have to push so much harder, which makes it incredibly easy for the bar to kick back right at your face. But instead of throwing it away or struggling through another painful yard day, you can fix this entire mess yourself without any expensive, fancy, specialized gear. First, we have to tackle that nasty rust buildup. You can't get a truly razor-sharp edge on a chain that's coated in oxidized crust, but you don't need to sit there scrubbing with sandpaper for hours. Instead, we'll use a brilliant shortcut. We start by applying a generous coat of a simple rust-dissolving lubricant or even basic WD-40 across the entire chain. Let it sit for just a moment to penetrate deep into the metal pores and break up that stubborn orange crust. Once it starts doing its magic, you can take a simple brass wire brush and give it a quick, vigorous scrub. You'll be amazed at how fast the rust melts right off, revealing the clean steel underneath. Wipe it down completely with a clean microfiber cloth, and suddenly that old dead chain looks almost brand new again. Now comes the absolute most important part, the actual sharpening process. This is where most people get completely intimidated because they think chainsaw angles are some kind of rocket science. It's actually incredibly simple once you know the secret. Every single cutting tooth on your chain has a tiny etched line on the top of it. That line is called the witness mark, showing the exact angle you need to file. For most standard chains, it's right around 30 degrees. All you need is a simple, cheap, round file that matches the specific size of your chain, which is usually stamped right on your bar. Instead of spending hours meticulously filing every tooth by hand, you can use a quick handheld rotary tool guide or just a simple manual filing guide. The real secret to getting it razor sharp in under 2 minutes is consistency and direction. You always want to file from the inside of the cutting tooth facing outward. Never drag the file backward, as that immediately dulls your file and ruins the edge. Just 2 or 3 firm, smooth forward strokes on each tooth is all it takes. Keep the file completely level and follow that etched guideline. Once you finish all the teeth pointing in one direction, flip the saw around and do the teeth pointing the other way. It's incredibly satisfying seeing tiny metal shavings curl off the edge. Once you put everything back together, tension the chain correctly, and add a little fresh bar oil, you are ready for the ultimate test. When you pull the cord and plunge that freshly restored blade into a massive, tough log, you shouldn't have to push down at all. The weight of the saw itself should do all the work, pulling it effortlessly through the wood while throwing out beautiful, thick, clean wood chips instead of fine dust. It's an incredibly rewarding feeling to take something that looked like complete garbage and turn it back into a high-performance tool in just minutes. If this quick restoration trick helped you or saved you a trip to the hardware store, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment about your favorite tool hacks, and follow for more simple, life-saving DIY guides. By the way, I'd love to know, where are you watching this from? Drop your location in the comments so I can personally thank you.